Use of shoulder code tool. Then we use the shoulder/code release tool. The total is to put the code on our shoulders diagonally. Then it can be divided into two situations. There is already a code drop point on the first shoulder oblique. Then we can directly choose this cloth line perpendicular to him, or this side line. After one click, pull one of his vertical lines to the shoulder point where we have put the yard. Then a pop-up window with our shoulder slash will pop up. And you can see the green dotted line there. It's not connected to the other shoulder point. So let's switch it over. So we're going to code this shoulder oblique. Then it's already worth it. We can choose the file difference. Okay. So we're done. Slash it on the shoulder. What about the second one? It's the case that neither of our shoulder points has been placed. It works the same way. Select the edge line perpendicular to it. Then click on our shoulder point. Switch to our shoulder diagonal line. Then after we click on the file difference, you need to manually enter its difference value. All codes are equal. Okay. We can zoom in. So these are the two ways to use our shoulder/code release tool.